trip to Osun Grove.
Hello, my people. How you doing? Shebi, it's generally I sat and started down and be like, Mama, on of Africa. Shebi, you go to showcase culture. Why don't you go for Osun-Osogbo 2025? I'm like, damn, sure, I got you. Like, I got you covered. Now, so I carry my body enter Osogbo. They go the Osun Grove where they do the whole thing. Now, I see my gist to now make una follow me go. Maybe we go see wetin dey zuzu for there. If you are with me, say yeah, no time. I'm moving on a steady, you know what I'm saying? Man, don't gbé bọ́ọ̀dì mi díẹ̀. Ọ̀rẹ́ Òṣogbo mo gbé bọ́ọ̀dì mi wá sí mímọ́ dámọ̀lá kọjá àyè rẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ Africa for Ondo mi gbúdọ̀ ká kọjá àyè mi ní olúùlú o. So mi ò gbé bọ́ọ̀dì mi ní gbé wọn fún bẹ̀. Let's go. Àṣebí mò ń gbọ́ Ondo ni.
Èyí sì mí náà lẹ́nu. Èdè fún yín mú dáadáa. Ayé àwọn àgbà fóònù.
Now they see different things. Oríṣiríṣi. Africa will be so talented. Like seriously, see all the crafting and the sculpturing and everything on the wall. So beautiful. Like, Let's look at one area. Craft did that. It's plenty for Africa, so we are fairly rich. See different things where we draw for wall. Everything fairly rich. Mi màtí lílù fẹ́ wọ̀n rí o gàgàgò dáàmú ojú wọn dáàmú ṣe kí n dáhùn wò bí ṣe lọ ní Osun Grove. See everywhere. Different things. Nine then draw for the wall. Different thing. Oh, hey, Africans very talented. We are very talented. Well, let's go there. Gradually, we are getting there.
sorry, Daddy may not be able to pronounce your phonetic English because I schooled in the 80s. And this is the way I've been writing it that I'm able to be on my PhD, do my second PhD. So I may not be able to pronounce your phonetic English because the children used to at the same time correct me as well. So just take my English the way it is. Do you understand? So when you are here and you said you know what's up, let me send you what they have here is Agbo. Agbo means house. There's a particular song that says Shere Wu Agbo Agbara Agbo Loshon which simply means before the coming of the Western doctors, there's always a way people from Osogbo they take care of the details. And one of the things is that water heals any sickness. That water attends to any sickness. That water cleans any sickness. That Agbo will heal you. You can see so many people have been coming, moving in and out for the past 2 weeks now. Because there's so much belief in that particular Agbo. Sometimes to the package, it's about your belief and your religion. Do you understand? Even if you are taking a tablet and you don't have the belief in that tablet, you are wasting your time. Do you understand? So, that's any question. This is where the king and the vintage lady used to bring that calabash on that day. We thought that this place would be too crowded and I passed money to let you come back so that you could see it. But it will be too crowded. You cannot even have an outlet. You can only see the